Okay, I hope you can see this. I'm having trouble hooking it up. I'm in a different place. Ooh, where am I? I don't know. But this is for my honors and regular algebra. So the first thing we're going to do is find the vertex. It's always the opposite number of the x, opposite number of the y. So it'd be 1, negative 4. Hey, that's pretty easy. How does it open? It's based on this number right here. The number's not shown. It's going to be positive 1. Positive is up. And the axis of symmetry for something that opens up or down is always x equals the x number. Oops, I'm making a mess. There we go. Now to find the x-intercept, you put 0 in for y. So we would have 4 equals x minus 1 squared. Square root both sides. Don't forget, whenever you get a variable squared, it's always plus or minus. So x minus 1, add 1, it's 1 plus or minus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Hey, hey. Y-intercept, you put 0 in for x. You always put 0 into the other one. So 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Squared is 1. So y plus 4 equals 1. So subtract 4, y equals negative 3. Now let's plot our information. 1, negative 4. It's going up. It's 3 or negative 1, so 3, negative 1. Now notice the axis of symmetry is right here. So this is 1, 2 units. This is 1, 2, so that's probably right. Then the y-intercept's negative 3. Kaboom! Now if there's 1 unit this way, there has to be 1 this way, 1 unit. So curve it. Now it's a curve. It's not a arrowhead. So there we go. Woohoo! So go ahead and try this one. Then turn me back on and see if you did it right. Okay, let's see what we got here. Woohoo! Okay, I'm drawing this, drawing this, drawing this, drawing it, drawing it, drawing it, drawing it. Okay, good. So the vertex, opposite number with x, opposite number with y. G1. How's it open? Well, this is negative. Now, it's actually negative 1, but of course, mathematicians, we like to write as little as possible. So we just put negative. So this would be down. And since it's up or down, it's x equals 2. Now the x-intercept, you put 0 in for y, so you'd have negative 1 equals negative x minus 2 squared. Does this look familiar, I hope? Take the opposite of both sides, get the x term by itself, then square root both sides. So it'd be plus or minus 1 equals x minus 2. So I square rooted. So I'm going to add 2. So it'd be 2 plus 1 is 3. Or 2 minus 1 is 1. Then the y-intercept, you put 0 in for x. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Squared is 4. Negative 2 times negative 2. Take the opposite. So it'd be y minus 1 equals negative 4. Add 1. Y equals negative 3. So I'm going to plot 2, 1. That'd be T1. Here's the axis of symmetry. It's dashed because that's not really part of the graph. It's just something true about the graph. The x-intercept is 3, 1. Doopy doopy. That looks right. 1 this way, 1 this way. Hey! Then the y-intercept is down here at negative 3. So 2 units this way. So we need to go 2 units this way. Oops. Sorry about that. Goes through. Whee! So be careful. Some people will hit this point and go straight down, and you can't. That means there's an infinite number of y-intercepts, and that's not true. So I just thought I'd do a couple problems. This is for algebra, and hey, I just heard a bell. An honors algebra. So 2 for, hey, have a good day.